Actually guys, this is what came out. As you can see, very lovely, very lovely. So you don't need to buy any bread in the morning. You all need to do it at home as I've done here. This is it. Very lovely, very lovely. I think you may enjoy my video, and thank you for coming back here to watch my video. I am Graccey Mission Foods. This is it. Karibu, karibu Kenya. Welcome to another video. My name is Kerry. Thank you for coming back here to watch my channel. Today I have to make bread at home. Actually I need 1 cup of flour, and I'm going to use achab here. Achab, that's the flour that we usually have here in Kenya from other companies, and there are other companies, but this is what I'm going to use today. And then now I have to use butter, which is bluebird here. This is what I'm going to use. Also I need a little bit of sugar here. So let's go to business, and I need some warm water. I'll show you. So here is the flour. I put the flour here. Sugar, I need a small portion because other people may not like sugar. Like this, and then I made a butter. But I'm going to use blueband because I don't have any butter here at the fridge, and I should use such a portion here. See the portion here I'm going to use. This is it. Then I need some warm water. This is warm water, as you can see here. This is warm water. So we have to make the dough. You have to mix the dough. This is our mixing. I don't need to put a lot of water because here, this is our mixing. Actually, this is how it looks, and then I leave it here for 20 to 30 minutes for it to cool down. Then I'll show you the kind of oven that I'm going to use. So I'll cover this one here. So this is my oven here. I'm going to use this saucepan as my oven. I'm going to put it so that it will continue burning as I wait for the flour to be ready. And then on this one here will be like my grill. I'll put it here, and the fry will be on top here. This on top here, and then I will cover with this lid here, like this. Then I will show you. So I put it on the lid to continue burning. The flour was already had all the mixtures. Here it is now. So as you can see, this is the flour here, and then I told you I'm gonna use this thing here, this lid here, like like a grill. So I have to put some butter here. So I put butter. And then what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put the dough here. I'm gonna put the dough here. Here. This is it. Remember, this is the fillage, this is how it is, then I will put it, let me show you. This is how it looks. That is my oven. And now I'll cover it with the lid, as I said. This is the lid, and then I'll cover it like this. And then we should wait it to be ready. That's it. I think you are enjoying my video here at the village here, so I'm trying to make bread on my own improvisation, so that let's wait and see what will come out. Actually, this is how it looks in my oven. This is how it looks in my oven. This is Grace Curry Mission Foods. As you can see here, you don't need to buy any bread in the morning, as I had said and commented earlier. Welcome back, and as you watch my channel, enjoy my channel, give some comments here and subscribe to my channel. We are on the road to 1,000 subscribers. Thank you so much. Ciao ciao. Bye.